morning and happy Tuesday. I hope you all had a great day yesterday. The sun came out, so hopefully you were able to get outside as well. I am not showing my face in this video because I really wanted to go over something in math today and show it to you on your screen so you don't get confused. All right, so this will be like what you see today in our Google Classroom page for today, Tuesday the 21st. In reading, you will be watching a video posted to you by Mrs. Mancino because it has to do with science. Now, she says the video is a little bit long, so make sure as you are reading the directions, you look and see what she tells you to do with it because you're watching up to the LED flashlight experiment. Okay, and then she said, but you can also watch the experiment if you have time to do so. Then underneath here on the document is what you'll be answering questions on based on the video that you watched. Okay, so my computer's just a tad slow here. So this is what you'll be doing for reading today. For writing, you'll be doing a free write. I'd like to do free write once a week where you get to pick your own genre and write. And you're going to write for 20 minutes. And for 20 minutes, you should get a decent amount of writing in there. And please make sure that you're working on, adding some good dialogue, making a new paragraph every time someone speaks, adding in some show don't tell, which some of you have been doing an awesome job doing, putting in those descriptive words with adjectives and things like that. So make sure you're having fun on your free write today, but keeping in mind all those things that we do in class and something that you would talk to me about if I was there with you. And the last thing is math. Now I'm bringing up the math document to show you. Now today in math, you are going to be working on measuring angles on your own, not on a website. So the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to watch the video. I know you watched this video yesterday, but I really want you to watch it again today so you can really make sure you understand protractors. A lot of you, which I totally understand, were saying that the one hard thing about protractors was trying to figure out which number to use. And that can get confusing. So this video reminds you to ask yourself, is it an acute angle, a right angle, or an obtuse angle? And that will really, really help you figure out what number to use. Now, if you have a working printer, you're going to do two things. First, you're going to print out this worksheet, and it is 3 pages long. So this is 3 pages long. After you print it out, step 2 is print out the protractor. Now, I emailed your parents the protractor, but in case they didn't get it or you don't know, if you go down here, the protractor is right here. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Okay. All you have to click is download now. It's really simple. And this is the protractor. It's coming. Okay. Here is your protractor that you can print out. And remember, I said you cut it out around the outside, and then you also cut out this inside, okay? Once you do that, you will be able to measure the angles on this document. You are going to take a picture for each problem. So what I recommend doing for problem number 1, when you're measuring the angle, I would take a picture of the protractor on the angle so you can show me, and then you write the degrees next to it. So your protractor is like on the angle so I can see how you're holding it, and then you put the degrees over here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems. Now, for those of you who do not have a printer, you are going to be watching this quick video, and if you have to click on it. If you don't watch this video, you will have no idea how to use the protractor on the extension that you did yesterday. So you'll click on this video here and it teaches you how to use a protractor. Now, if you don't have a printer, you're going to be doing the protractor right on this document. All right. Now, if you do not watch this video up here that I gave you, you will not know how to do that. So please make sure you watch that video if you need. All right. So that is all for today. Remember, as always, if you have any questions, email me or drop a comment and I will help you out. Second thing, I have office hours today at 11 o'clock this morning. So if you're having a hard time with this or you have questions, come to that Google Hangout at 11 o'clock this morning in the link that I provided so you can ask me questions. That's what the office hours will be about today for math. All right. So, trivia question yesterday was, I was the assistant coach of the varsity softball team for Emerson, and so many of you got that right. Now, Santiago and Logan both submitted at 8:45 this morning, so we have our first tie. I'm going by the time of 8:45. Good job, you two. Now for the next trivia question. This is a fun one. Tomorrow, we are going to have a guest stop by, well, virtually stop by, in my morning video. Who do you think the guest is going to be? Drop the name of the person of who you think will be doing a little celebrity stop by on our morning video tomorrow. Have a great day and happy reading.